Hi, good day, Ma'am Angela Rosil. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Angela Rosil. I'm 30 years old and I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. Their ages is 12, 14, and 4 years old. I live in with my partner, single, and I live in Old Buso-Buso, Barangay San Jose, Antipolo City.
Alright, thank you. And then can you please tell me your educational background?
My educational background is I'm a high school graduate and undergraduate for college.
Okay. And then do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, ma'am. I have only one sister, and I'm the youngest. I'm the youngest in the family.
Okay, thank you. And then how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself. I'm a honest person, responsible, and I'm love cooking like that, ma'am.
Okay. And then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to give my family good future and support the schooling of my children.
Alright, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience abroad in Saudi Arabia since October 2023 to October 2024. I have only 1 year contract, and my house tour there is cleaning, ironing, laundrying, cooking, and I have 3 children taking care. Their age is 7, 12, and 13.
Alright, so may I know your reason why you did not finish your contract in Saudi Arabia?
I didn't finish my contract because my employer, mama, didn't give me for 4 days the food.
Okay, noted. And then aside from working as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am, in Qatar for only 4 months because my employer decided to get a nurse because the baby is newborn. Then she decided to go me to the agency, and then I decided to back to the Philippines.
Alright, so what is your duties as domestic helper in Qatar in 4 months?
In 4 months, my duties there is same like in Saudi, cooking, laundry, and cleaning, like that.
Okay, so aside from your work experience abroad, do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience here in Philippines. 3 years, finished contract, February 2020 to 2023, February.
Alright, so can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines?
My duties here in Philippines, there are in home for of family, 2 adults, and children, 16 years old and 13 years old, and I'm taking care of the pets, six pets, cats, and I'm cooking there, laundrying, gardening, washing in car, and cooking.
Alright, thank you. And then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Alright, and then what will you do if you become homesick?
If I become homesick, I remind myself to I work in abroad because for the family future and for my children.
Okay, noted. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, good. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I love cooking, ma'am, because in my last job is I'm always cooking. And if my employer wants to other recipe, why not, ma'am?
Okay, so are you willing to learn your dishes
Yes, ma'am.
abroad?
I will learn.
Alright, good. And then do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
In arm, but small.
Alright. So are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. So are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, good. So for the last question, Ma'am Angela, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. I'm Angela Rosil. I'm 30 years old and I have three children. Their ages is 4, 12, and 13. I'm kind, I'm honest, and I'm a responsible person. And I promise I finish my contract for 2 years, and I'm willing to renew contract if my employers need me. I hope to see you soon, Madam and Sir. Thank you.